Hey up guys, me again, 18 MacMath, 18 here. Got a quick one package Mailday in today from eBay. It's from 2011 UD MLS, MLS Dual Materials Teammates Premium Series, number 13 out of 25 of Sebastian Toux and Danny Mwanga. They're really nice. They're both two colors. Numbering 25. So yeah, it's nice for the Toux PC. I will be doing a PC showcase of Sebastian Toux. Not today, maybe in a couple of days. Unless I pick something else new, but I was waiting for this card to get in before I did one. So you guys, that's basically it. I should be having a couple more mail days this week. So you guys, guess that's basically it. So later.